Greetings, quick demonstration for you today. We have labels that's going to indicate the front, so of course put that label directly in front of you. What we're going to do is just take our box, go through our regular two-part process, which is to go ahead and set the box into the fixture and then press it down and make her fold. So go ahead and set her on in there. We're going to press her on down. A couple of folds, and we have our completed box. So there we go. That's our first one. Now this one's a little bit unique. You can go ahead and see here that we've got some pop-outs. You're going to have to manipulate those by hand. Label is going to go in front. You can see that we've got spacing is different here, so you can accommodate that. So let's go ahead and kind of show you how it's done. For some of the larger fixtures, we can go ahead and to set it into the box, you can go ahead and break these scores here, kind of line it up that way, and then press her on down. And then once we're in this position, you're going to have to kind of help it along here. So let's just kind of work our way down. And we're going to have to kind of help that along a little bit, pop it out. And then we can just go ahead and press her on down. It's a pretty rigid box. There we go. You can see what we're up against. And again, a couple of folds. And you are set. Thank you very much.